I'm hearing them again. Helicopters. There they are, more helicopters. Ever since I saw the lights in the sky last night, there's been helicopters over every few minutes. Right over there was lights in the sky. And when the lights in the sky was there, black helicopters showed up all around me. All around me. It was a crazy night. I wished I'd been sober. And then it got weird as I had to do battle with giant spiders from Mars. You can see all them videos tomorrow on the Daddy Dan blog. I had a camera running.